and the air preparation plant give you perfect quality supply air. The dry ice pellets are fed into the blasting machine.
Dry ice blasting uses small dry ice pellets as the blasting medium, similar to traditional blasting methods. The unique feature of dry ice as a blasting material is that it vaporizes on contact with a surface to be cleaned. Treated surfaces are left dry and clean without residues of detergents.
Dry ice blasting is popular in industries where molds are used. It's also effective in the food industry, as well as for general surface cleaning. Great results and environmentally friendly.
Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide, shaped into small particles. Dry ice is non-flammable, non-conductive, odorless, and non-toxic. Dry ice is produced and packaged according to strict hygiene regulations, making dry ice blasting an ideal cleaning method for the food and medical industries. When dry ice pellets strike a surface at the speed of sound, any coating on the surface is cracked and loosened. The low temperature of dry ice pellets makes the coating brittle, cracking and loosening it as a result of the reduced bonding between the coating and the underlying surface. This allows dry ice to permeate the coating. Dry ice penetrates the coating and immediately transforms directly from the solid to vapor state. This results in a 700-fold increase in volume, an explosive effect that lifts the coating off the surface. Machine can often be cleaned by dry ice blasting while in operation, eliminating the need for dismantling and subsequent reassembly. Costs connected to the disposal of hazardous chemicals or solvents are saved because dry ice vaporizes on contact with the surface being treated. Dry ice blasting can often reduce cleaning and maintenance payroll costs to a fraction of current levels because the process is more effective and faster than traditional cleaning methods. Dry ice blasting is non-abrasive, with less wear and tear from the use of steel brushes, scrapers, etc. Dry ice blasting systems have extremely high cleaning speeds, and even normally inaccessible parts can be rapidly cleaned using the wide range of nozzles available. Blasting material residues do not become trapped, and no detergents or blasting materials are left on the surface. Dry ice blasting is not electrically conductive, so it can be used where other methods are unsuitable. For example, electric motors and equipment with electric, pneumatic or hydraulic components can be cleaned. Dry ice is completely non-toxic. As no hazardous chemicals or solvents are used in dry ice blasting, operators avoid being exposed to hazardous fumes, and unlike pressure washers, there is no drainage of polluted water. The quantity of waste material is minimized because the blasting material vaporizes. Dry ice blasting of chill molds and traditional foundry molds is very effective, as it is non-abrasive and molds can be cleaned without cooling down, dismantling, reassembly and reheating. Dry ice blasting machines are used to remove grease and brake dust from the subframe and engine of locomotives. Dry ice blasting gently removes accumulations of lime without the damage to monuments caused by the traditional method of acid washing. Dry ice blasting systems have extremely high cleaning speeds, and even normally inaccessible parts can be rapidly cleaned using the wide range of nozzles available. Costs connected with the disposal of hazardous chemicals or solvents are reduced because dry ice vaporizes on contact with the surface, and only the dislodged coating material has to be removed. In cheese production, dry ice blasting greatly reduces the risk of fire, as it cleans off the paraffin completely. The hot water used traditionally provided a breeding ground for bacteria. Dry ice cleaning of lime wash buildings is very effective because it does not damage the underlying plaster, unlike pressure cleaning, and there is no need to wait for walls to dry. Dry ice blasting is an ideal cleaning process in the pharmaceutical industry as it is completely non-toxic, with no hazardous chemicals or solvents involved. Dry ice blasting is an economical alternative to traditional cleaning methods, as it cuts out all the expense of glue procurement and production stops due to glue spillage. Dry ice blasting cuts costs because food producers avoid frequent replacement of spare parts, hence minimizing downtime. Cleaning extruders, which often takes 2 to 3 days when using traditional cleaning methods, can be completed in 2 hours with dry ice blasting. And, especially important in the plastics industry, it helps avoid production stops. Dry ice blasting cleans extruder tools effectively, but very gently, and avoids the wear and tear of manual cleaning. Using dry ice blasting can cut the average time for removing soot by 90%, meaning lower cleaning and maintenance payroll costs.